Today, we're going to be cleaning this laptop bag. Hey everybody, welcome to Candid Detail. I'm Logan Gray, and today we're going to be detailing out this Coach leather bag. Now it's about 4 years old, it's got quite a bit of grime on the hand strap itself and the leather surface. Now to really get this clean, what we're going to be using is our all-purpose cleaner, OP Clean. And we'll also be using the Dash Guard Plus to condition the leather and protect it from UV rays. So let's get started. First things first is I'm just going to lay it nice and flat like this, and we're going to get into cleaning it. Again, we're using the OP Clean to go ahead and get this all nice and clean. Spray a little onto the bag itself. I'm going to just work it into all the texture and the leather. Now when doing this, you might see some milkiness start to come up. That's all the hand grime. That's all the grime and dirt that's been stuck in the actual texture of the bag itself. Now, this same process you can use on leather seats at home, whether it's an armchair, or it's a purse or other type of bag. This same process can be used on any type of leather. It's the same way I would detail a leather seat inside of a car. So right now I'm using the nano felt brush, and this nano felt brush is really good for leather, plastic, and other really tight textures like that, because the felt on this back end right here is getting into all of those tiny little grooves and pulling and lifting that dirt and debris out of there. Once you got it all cleaned up, you just want to take a microfiber towel, pick up all that gunk. Now, even with like this fabric back right here, I'm going to just spray it down with a little bit of OP Clean. I'm going to grab a stiffer brush and just start working it in. Now, once you've gotten that all cleaned off, again, you want to go across with a microfiber towel. Just pick up anything that you can that's on the surface with it. And go ahead and wipe this off. Now for the strap itself, what we're going to do, spray it down. Just get nice and wet. And then we're going to use that same stiff brush. Just go across it. We want to make sure we get both sides of it. And this isn't much different than how many people could clean a seatbelt inside their car. Same kind of texture as far as how the weave is very tight. The difference is generally a seatbelt is more of like a nylon, but you can still use the same process even on your seatbelts. Again, we're just going to lift off any of the dirt that we can on there. Now that we've got the whole surface clean, we've got the cloth cleaned and everything like that, we're going to condition it. By doing the cleaning that we did, we've dried out the leather a little bit. Now we just want to rejuvenate it and bring it back to life. So I'll be using the Dash Guard Plus and a microfiber applicator. We're going to just spray a little bit of the Dash Guard Plus onto the microfiber applicator, spread it out onto the applicator, and just start applying. This is going to help condition the leather, bring some moisture back into it. A good way to think of it is like a lotion for your skin. What makes this a little bit different though is it does have UV protection to it. So it's going to help block any UV rays and help prevent it from drying out in the future. Now you can leave it this nice high gloss shine, or you can simply take a microfiber towel and just start buffing off a little bit of that excess for a more natural leather look to it. There. Now it's nice and smooth, it's protected, it's ready to go. I've got the whole front portion of this bag done, and this seemed like a good spot to just kind of talk about how these same steps of cleaning and conditioning, you can use these on any leather or plastic surface. So if it's inside your car or if it's at home on that armchair, your purse, your wife's purse, these same steps can always be applied to those surfaces. So give it a shot. If you like what you saw, give us a like. If you like the content that we're putting out there, then go ahead and click that subscribe. We're putting out new videos every week. If you're interested in any of the products that I showed today, the links will be down below. And well, I got to finish this bag before my friend finds out I took this from him. So I'll catch you next week.